Welcome Jungle River Cruise Adventure.
Romantic night. For your own safety, please remain seated for the trip. Keep all your hands, arms, and legs stay inside the vehicle. And this is authorized so you may get wet. Please take care of your electronic equipment and watch your children. Let's see the right hand side. Do you know what is this? Yeah, it's a Tyson tree house. Because Tyson go to London a long time, he didn't come back. If he come back in the future, you may take the raft go over there. But don't try to swim over there. There's the many crocodiles under the river waiting for you. Now we're on the longest river in the world at least 4,000 meters, but I know you can spend 3 days. 3 days can finish this journey. Let's see who waiting for us in front. Do you know what is this? Yes, it's an elephant. It's a mother and a baby elephant. His mother teaches little one how to use tongue. Look how so cute is it. Let's say hello to him. Hello. There's something you don't see every day. A brother elephant taking a shower. I think it's underwater too long. Look, his skin is so weak in there. They can't always stay in water right now. Be careful. Whoa. In the front we have the father elephant waiting for us. I also want to aim it on us. Okay, let's get wet together. 3, 2, and just kidding. Yeah, just kidding. Don't go it. Okay, now we're entering the old temple. It's not really dangerous here, but let's take a chance to look. Wow, do you see that we have a giant spider in here? We got 1, 2, 3, and 1 more in your right side. Please don't touch them. Whoa. Upper has the elephant gut and those snakes is protecting them. Those 2 snakes are so poison in this jungle. There's 1 more in the left side, be careful. Actually everything you see is really want to bite you. Now we're out of danger. Let's visit those crocodiles. Do you see them? Please don't wake them up. You know we call them crocodiles. They call us dinners. Let's move on. Tyson Friends, Professor and Jean just set up the campus just ahead. I think they have an unaccept company right there. Look, they're shooting scan right now. What they're shooting? Please don't shoot us, 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 please don't shoot us. Wow, luckily they don't shoot us. If they shoot us within the swim, go back to the dock. Welcome to my favorite place, wow, of Africa. We have zebra, giraffe, and the African elephant right there. Let's say hello to him. Hello. He's the second most feared elephant in this jungle. Whoa, there's 1 more in his wife. Be careful. Okay, sorry bothering you. Let's move on. Wow, do you see that? There's so many bubbles under the river. Now we're entering the pool of danger. People! There's 6,000 pounds of creatures. They can fight our boat very easily. Be careful, there's something on the left side. Do you smell that? They're always so standing in the brushing tea every day. Whoa, you guys so brave. This is my last passenger in my boat and they saw those people. They jump out. Now the white noise causing his butt. Okay, let's say goodbye to him. Bye bye. We're not safe here now. Bye bye. Now do you see that? There's so many skulls right there. Now we're entering the headhunter village. I think they're not at home right now. So be quiet, we go inside now. They can also smell the beer. Okay, let's get down to the salon. Let's get down. Let's get down. Let's get down. The conference so early. Let's get down. Let's get down. Okay, let me see. No one get hurt. No one fall to the river? Sounds great. Here's so dangerous in here with some good news. In the furnace outdoor, now we go back to the dock. Please make seated. Okay, just wait a few seconds and then we can go back to the dock. Just wait a few seconds. it fall back? Oh no, now it's stuck in forbidden crab and gone between water guard and the fire guard in here. Wow, look at that the boat turning right now. Whoa! It's so angry. I'm sorry, we just took the runway, they are so bad. Now the sun fire from our boat. Wow, water guard picked our water guard. Wow, it's so smoky in here. I cannot see anything, but we are safe now. Let's go back to the dock. You hear the sound in front? Guess who coming for us? Oh, it's a baby elephant. He coming here say goodbye with us. Let's say goodbye to him. Bye bye. So cute. Bye bye. Okay, before we go back to the dock, all your hands, arms will stay inside the bowl. Your arms will stay inside the bowl. Please remain seated and the bowl can please stop. Do you know what is this? Actually, this is a window. After we go back to the dock, please don't cross over the window. If you cross over the window, you will become monkey, and then we need to take you back to the jungle and eat banana forever. Okay, just give me a few more seconds to stop the boat. 3, 2, 2.5, 1.5, and finally 1. Okay.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support my channel. Like, share, comment, and lastly, subscribe. Thank you.